Hello everyone, this is the Colortone keyboard by Waveform for the Commodore 64. It's a 2-octave keyboard that is a printed sheet with sensors underneath on a thin piece of plastic. This keyboard plugs in to the game port, number 1, and as you can see, you can either play the keys. There's a ribbon strip here that they call the auto harp, and there's a set of numbers at the top that help you select different functions in the program. And now I'll show you a little bit more about what this can do. Just for note, this is the owner's manual and the floppy disk that come with the Colortone. Here's the instruction page for the Colortone. Tells you a little bit more about what each of those numbers at the top of the keyboard do. And if you touch a key on the keyboard, it goes to the next page. And you can read what else these other numbers do. And the numbers go up to 14, but the instructions only go up to 11. Song. To play along, you can just change the song by going to pressing 1, and now it'll load and play a completely different song. You can select number 3 which instrument to play, number 2 what scale you want to play in, 4 lets you play the keyboard without hearing the song, I believe, and then you can save and load songs. Since we ran into an issue where it didn't seem to be tuned right, I decided to go ahead and show you guys how to tune this keyboard. You run the tuner program from the disk, and it comes up with this asking you if you want to tune or not. Press yes. Why? First you need to make sure it's plugged in to control port 1, and then press return. Okay, so now we hold top C down with one hand and use your keyboard hand to press the return key. So I may not be able to do this while holding the camera. I'm going to try to hit the control key, return key. Okay, hold the dotted next one and hit return. So you just go through this. Hold the button, hit return, keep going on. I'll come right back and show you the end of this. Okay, I got the calibration all done, and I came back to this page, and I realized that earlier I thought some of these keys at the bottom weren't working, but now, and you can see by the dot that every key works. And what it is, when you change the scale, some of these keys get blacked out. Let me find one that does that. See, some of these keys get blacked out. Now, those keys, when you press them here, are not playable. So basically, you can't even mess up when you have that scale set. So you always stay in key. And that's the same with this ribbon up here. And I figured out how to stop the song from playing. It's number 9, wait, Once it was calibrated, it worked right. And if I hit that again, so you can either play along with the song, or you can just play and practice playing the keys yourself. And you can also switch the instruments. And that's it. That's the Colortone keyboard from Waveform.